I'm a perfectionist. I wanted to work with someone who gets me.
We've gotten very positive response from everyone about that, almost envious of it.
Your whole personality comes out in your home, and the walls, the furniture, the cabinets. Your home is a part of you.
Cabinets is what sells a house. We have had just great reactions from everyone that's come to visit.
I don't have time to wait in line. Needco made this easy.
If you're like the typical Needco customer, you're busy, you've got great taste, and you don't like settling for less than what you want. That's why Needco, the cabinet company, has created the environment to make your cabinetry investment delightful and easy. No aisles, no shopping carts, no waiting in line, no membership fee. Just a one-on-one process with you or your designer or builder to bring all of your needs and dreams to life. No matter what your style is, you will find custom-level solutions with a typical turnaround time of 3 weeks. With thousands of projects completed, including the Extreme Home Makeover, Birmingham Home and Garden Inspiration Home, and the Flats at Soho Square, Needco is found in new construction and remodeling projects in homes valued from $250,000 to over $2 million. Kitchen, bath, office, laundry and mudrooms, media rooms, and closets. Beyond the thousands of finish and wood combinations available is the craftsmanship and commitment to quality that makes your investment virtually inheritable. This commitment and the limitless options have made Needco ideal for architects and designers and their customers. Needco's designer-friendly showrooms feature installations that inspire. It's the perfect environment to meet, brainstorm, and create. And with many homeowners deciding to remodel instead of move, Needco is the perfect place to start for ideas. Knowing that cabinetry can be used in virtually every room of the home makes Needco a natural choice when remodeling. See the complete design portfolio at needcocabinet.com.
We told them several things we wanted and the layout we had, and then their expertise helped us as far as making the flow of the traffic through it work well.
When I went down to Needco's shop the very first time, I did not know what I wanted. They spent several hours just pulling out samples and pulling out designs, and I think that's the thing that really helped us be comfortable and know what we wanted. And when we pulled it all together, then I loved it.
Everything works together. Every item is where you need it to be, so that if you're cooking or if you're serving, it's just a nice, even flow.
As a result, they ended up doing all the bathrooms in my house, my laundry room, and the kitchen downstairs.
They were so easy to work with, plus they're caring people, and it makes an overall good experience. And I have recommended them to several of my friends since we have used them on this house here.
My next door neighbor, they built the house the same time that we built our home, and her style is different from mine, but we both love our houses, our kitchens, and I really liked what they did.
We at Needco understand the high standards and expectations of today's customers. We have all committed ourselves to be the best in our industry through our products as well as our services. We hope you enjoy your experience with Needco, and will share your story with your family and friends. Thank you.